Hi, Living Love family. Today we are asking how do believers around the world discern God's voice? Then with my friend Sarah from India, and Sarah is going to share a bit about how she experiences the presence of God. I've been born in a pastor's family, and so being with the pastor's family, I always was very close to the Lord. But my relationship with the Lord was when I was 16 years old. I personally experienced his presence and his walk with me. And I felt that the Lord was talking to me like he would talk to any other person in his time. I'd say that the Lord speaking to you through his word and also getting a confirmation that what I am being hearing or reading from his word from his people. Sometimes you try to misinterpret what you want, or you make an assumption of what you read for your own desires and what you intend. But when there is no confirmation, it's not the voice of God. But when you have a confirmation from people around you and God's people, then that I say that is a discernment what the Lord is speaking to you, and that is what He wants you to do. I start reading, I go to His Word in my devotions, and till now I have found answers to my prayers. But I know it's the Lord speaking to me. But when I speak to my prayer partners and people around me in the church, I get that confirmation that this is what the Lord wants you to do. Whether it is for my betterment or maybe against what I desire, I feel that's what I get a confirmation from the Lord that what I have wanting to hear, whether it's positive or negative, it is I have to follow His will because that's what He wants me to do. And I get that discernment from the Lord, from His word. There was a time when we were asked to move from Kolkata to Bangalore, and I was really not prepared for going from a place where we had made our home, we had made our ministry, and we were very satisfied with what the Lord wanted us to build in West Bengal and especially in Calcutta. And so when the Lord was moving us from West Bengal to Bangalore, even if Bangalore was a beautiful place to live in, people always wanted to go to Bangalore and make a living. I was not prepared. And I was struggling and I was talking to my husband, why do we not continue to stay here and minister than to move? But I think the Lord did not want that. And so I was at a Bible college graduation, and the Lord said to me that there is something greater for you for the betterment of the ministry. And it's good that you move. And that's what the Lord wants. And I again felt what the Lord had spoken to us 10 years ago, like God telling Abraham to move over to Canaan and with his wife, and she obediently followed. That same words came back to me that I need to follow my husband wherever he goes. And I was at one point when I was disappointed and just very discouraged, there was joy and kind of peace to move from where the Lord wanted us to move from and where He wanted to place. And so now I feel the Lord always answers in different ways and brings you to point where you know that you need to discern and hear His voice and understand His will. And so that's where the Lord has placed us, and He had a plan for us, and we are never disappointed from where He has brought us. And it's a joy in serving when you hear His voice.